What's up guys, I just want to inform you that from now on all my videos will be in English so my personal experience can reach to much more people. Briefly, what I'm presenting to you right now is a lifestyle more than a diet, because lifestyle goes for a certain time. But my personal experience with this lifestyle can go with you if you like it for the rest of your life. The lifestyle I'm presenting to you right now goes by level, each level for 30 days of period. So I will tell you right now about the first level. The first level, it's very easy and most of you will like it. Even if you are not convinced that you will lose weight, but trust me, you will lose weight because I did it and it was very effective for me. Briefly, 30 days, the first 30 days, level 1, what you will do in it? You will keep eating whatever you used to eat. You will eat rice, you will eat pasta, you will eat your pizza, whatever you used to eat, you will just eat it. But all you have to do, just to reduce it for 50%. For example, you are eating 1 bowl of rice, you will eat half bowl of rice. You are eating 1 plate of pasta, you will eat half plate of pasta. You are eating 4 slices of pizza, you will eat 2 slices of pizza. I think this is very good and I think nobody will complain about it. I just give you the freedom to eat whatever you want, whenever you want. But all you need to do is just to reduce the amount of food to 50%. We will come now to the drinks. The drinks, drink whatever you like. Drink your coffee, drink your tea, drink whatever you like. But also, all you need to do is just to reduce the consuming of sugar to half. Let's say you are using 2 spoons of sugar in your tea. You will use 1 spoon of sugar. The same goes with the coffee. The same goes with your, let's say, juice. Whatever you are drinking, just put the half amount of sugar you used to put. Now we will talk about sports. You will ask me what we will do in level 1 for 30 days. I will tell you because it's my personal experience. All what I did for 30 days, I saved every day 30 minutes from my time. What I did, I just walked. Luckily, I have a parking area, big parking area in my neighborhood. All what I did, every single day, I just walked for half an hour, 30 minutes. I didn't do any kind of exercise. I didn't do push-ups, I didn't do pull-ups, I didn't do anything. Every single day, just half an hour from my time around the parking. Now we are closing level 1. Briefly, 50% of whatever you are consuming from food or drinks, plus 30 minutes daily walk. That's it. Now we are talking about level 2. Level 2, also 30 days. What I will do in the level 2. First, food. What I will eat. The same. 50% of what you used to eat. No problem at all. You will not add anything on the food. Drinks. You will keep drinking whatever you like. But instead of using the sugar, you will go for the sweetener. No sugar at all. No refined sugar at all. Not any kind. Only you will use the sweetener. You will put the sweetener in your coffee, daily coffee, or you will use the sweetener to put it in your daily tea. Sports, same. You will walk every single day, but instead of 30 minutes, you will just increase it a little bit. You will make it 45 minutes. If you are so generous and you feel hyper already, make it 1 hour. I personally do for 1 hour. But 45 minutes, still not bad. There is 2 additional items in level 2, you will do it. The first one, this one. Apple cider vinegar. I prefer organic, but if you cannot find the organic, just use any apple cider vinegar. This one, it's available in every supermarket. Apple cider vinegar. The second, it's just a squeezed lemon. And then small shots, like a tequila, this one. What you will do, all you need to do, just take the cap out and put 2 of this one. You will add it here, you will add it here, and then you will continue the rest of the shot like this. And then you will drink it twice a day. Again, the minute you will wake up, before even you will brush your teeth, and directly before you will go to sleep, and you will drink it. What is the benefit of this one? The benefit of this one, it will melt all kind of fats you will have. It will reduce the level of cholesterol. It will clean your liver. There is much more benefit in this one. I want you to drink this twice a day, before you will even brush your teeth and before you will go to bed. The last item in level 2 will be fasting. Do not get panicked, do not get scared. It's only 12 hours. You will have whatever you need from drinks. You will drink your coffee, you will drink your tea, you will drink your water, but you will not consume food for 12 hours, twice a week. If you will start the first fasting, will be on Saturday, you will start the second one on Wednesday. You will start the other one on Sunday, you will start the second fasting on Thursday, and so on. All what I need from you to stop consuming food for 12 hours, twice a week. That's it. Some people will ask me, what time we are going to fast? I will tell you, I prefer 2 hours before you will sleep. If you will sleep by 9 o'clock, so you will start fast by 7 p.m. If you will go to sleep by 10 p.m., so I prefer your fasting will start by 8 p.m. After this, you will have your 8 hours sleeping. Then, all what I need from you, another extra 4 hours, you will stop consuming food. In total, 12 hours without food. You can have your coffee, you can have your tea, you can have your water, but there is no food for 12 hours. Some people will ask me, what I will eat after the fasting? I will tell you, I prefer, if you will start food, start with the soup. Any kind of hot soup as the first serving of meal. The second serving of meal will be the salad. Choose your salad. Do not let anyone choose the other salad. Choose your avocado, choose your carrots, choose your cucumber, choose your tomato, choose whatever you like, because you are the one who's going to eat the salad. The third one, continue. Before I will end this video, I just want to inform you that I am on day number 16 on level 2. So another 2 weeks and I will get inside level 3, which for sure I am going to share my experience with you on level 3. In the meantime, next week I'm going to make another video. I will talk about some supplements, some replacement of the carbohydrates. Stay with me and you will not regret, because as I said, I am offering a lifestyle, not normal diet. Stay healthy, stay safe, God bless.